The mission of Birger is to become a Pan-African technology service provider, offering the best technology offerings to our customers, but also around strong values. So my name is Jacques Harel. I'm the CEO of Birger. I've been CEO since 2007. Birger is a typical IT integrator whereby we offer hardware, software, services, and solutions to our customers. We have reorganized our offerings in 3 core services around technology, security, and resiliency. I think the difference of Birger against our competitors is our end-to-end solutions that we propose. And we also provide proximity local services. And this is where we make the difference between our competitors and ourselves. We thought we needed a software application which could assist us around the various fields and activities of our company. Zoho has provided us such a solution. We first started with Zoho Books to ensure that we could account for all our transactions on a daily basis. The difficulties that we had is that we operate in 9 countries. 9 countries meaning 9 standards, 9 currencies, 9 ways of doing things. And Zoho, being very flexible, allowed us to account for our transaction in a standard manner.
My name is Denis, and I joined Birger in 2021 as a financial controller. Well, when I joined Birger, we realized that we wanted to have a fully integrated system. We started our digitalization journey, and what we used was a Zoho Creator to design our own approval system, which we branded as Approve It. So this platform helped us to approve POs and payments digitally.
My name is Frederick. I'm the Executive Operations at Birger. So before using Zoho Sign, all our documents were being signed physically. We started using Zoho Sign since March 2023. From the first month, we had 200 documents which were digitally signed. So I think adoption was quite good. Today, we are using Zoho Sign to sign about 400 to 500 documents per month. And each document averaging 5 pages, so we are saving 2,000 sheets of physical paper per month.
So my name is Didier. Zoho Books has made reporting and reconciliations much simpler. And surprisingly, my staff was very eager to use the system, and the support we received from Zoho was very good. So it definitely improved the decision-making process.
Well, when we took the decision back in 2020 to implement Zoho, our business has tripled.
Definitely, I would recommend Zoho to other friends and business partners.
In one word, I would describe Zoho as integrated.